Hello, fellow drivers. Today we are going to be doing something different because we have been doing informative science for quite some time. We have decided to take a short break and do something a bit more easier, although these questions will come probably only one question or two questions in the whole exam. So let's get down to it. This is safety factors relating to the vehicle. Question number 1. Carrying a child in a rearward facing safety seat mounted on the front seat of a motor vehicle equipped with the passenger airbag is A. Permitted without restriction, prohibited, permitted if the airbag is disabled during transport. For here the answer will be C, because the airbag is supposed to be disabled in order for it not to potentially harm the child. Next question. Child safety seats and other child restraints must be installed in the vehicle A. in a safety aesthetic manner, B. so as to allow easy access so as to allow easy access to the child according to the recommendations of the device manufacturer. The answer will be C. This is the only answer which you can choose. In these questions, only one answer will be correct. Next, a police officer will retain a driver's license subject to a receipt upon detection of an act of. In this case, you have to look for the one which says when a driver exceeds the speed limit in built-up area by more than 50 kilometers. This is the only case where the police will take your driver's license. So in this case, the answer will be B. Let's move on. The Starost will issue an administrative decision to withhold a driver's license where a driver has exceeded the speed limit by. It's the same as the previous one. So will exceed the speed limit. It's not just 50 kilometers in a built-up area. It's more than 50 kilometers in a built-up area. You see, this answer might seem as if it's the same as this one, but they are different because it has to be more than 50 kilometers. Next, where drivers exceeded the speed limit by more than 50 kilometers in a built-up area, the Starost shall issue an administrative decision to withhold the driver's license for 3 months. 3 months is I think it's the minimum, if I'm not mistaken. It should be the minimum. The punishment starts at 3 months. Other things which are below 3 months would just be fines and point deduction. Next question. The document certifying that a vehicle is approved for traffic is the registration document. There is nothing else. Inspection sticker on the windshield, no. Vehicle history card, no. It's only the registration document. Let's finish. And these questions are done. We shall jump into safety factors relating to the vehicle as well. This one will not take us too much time, so we'll just run through it. Under what circumstances can you carry a child under 135 centimeters in height in a rear seat of a car or truck restrained only by seat belts? This is not allowed, but we have to look for an answer which might be close to acceptable. Only if the third child at least, no. Only if the third child is 15 years old, no. If 2 children are transported in safety seats, and is impossible to install the third seat. This is the only acceptable answer. Question number 2. When is it permitted to carry a child under 150 centimeters in the front seat of the lorry, only restrained by means of seat belts? If the child is at least 135 centimeters, no. If it is impossible to fit a safety seat in the vehicle, no. If the child has a medical certificate indicating that it can only be transported in a safety belt, this is the only acceptable answer. Because in normal circumstances, if we go back to question number 2, in a lorry, a child is supposed to be in a safety seat no matter the circumstances. So in this type of questions, you have to look for an acceptable answer. Which of these documents must the driver of the vehicle registered in a territory of the Republic of Poland carry and present at the request of an authorized body? I don't know what's happening with the question number, with answer number A. It seems as if it's a question, which means we'll rule that one out. Proof of payment of compulsory third-party liability insurance of the vehicle owner. If the driver has a driving license limited to a vehicle fitted with AUCA or interlock, a certificate of satisfactory technical examination in this regard. This is the only acceptable answer, because yes, this is the only acceptable answer. We move on. When inspecting a vehicle that performs road transport, does the road transport inspector have the right to verify the vehicle data in the Central Register of Vehicles? The answer will be yes, because these are two no's, so we don't really need to read what they are talking about. Let's just take yes, because the road transport inspector has the right to verify vehicle data. Who can give back the registration document if it is retained during a traffic control on the grounds that the vehicle is a danger to traffic order? The registration documents are only done at the municipal office. Okay, a body authorized to carry out technical tests following it. Okay, I didn't read the question fully. At the municipal office, they also deal with registration documentation, but in this case, this is after when the registration document has been taken. The car has to go for a test and so on, and the test will be done at an authorized technical center. Therefore, a body authorized to carry out technical tests following a technical examination appropriate to the reason for the retention of the registration document. How long will the driving license of a driver who has exceeded the speed limit by more than 50 kilometers in a built-up area be retained? We did this question previously, so we know it will be for 3 months. Next, for how long does a driving license retention receipt for exceeding the speed limit in a built-up area by more than 50 kilometers? Your driving license will only be valid for 24 hours, because they know you have to look for a place to park your car and so on, and then your driving license will be held. In what circumstance would the driving license not be withheld to exceeding a speed limit of 50 kilometers? If the driver of the vehicle has committed an infringement in order to ward off an imminent danger to an asset protected by law? If the driver of the vehicle behind uses warning no. If the driver increases speed so as to quickly exit the intersection, C will be wrong, B also will be wrong. The only acceptable answer will be A. Let's look at the last question. What is the penalty of the lorry driver carrying 3 persons more than the number of seats seated on the vehicle's registration document? I'll let you answer this one in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We did this question before. It will always be for 3 months. I think we'll finish here and we'll go back to information science on the next lesson.